Después.
There's two touch point codes, either one works.
We're going under the tree. The roots, right underneath the roots. Wow, this is the tree roots. Yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
You got room for a store.
If you have space in front of you, could you please take a step forward? We are expecting a lot of other party animals to join us for the show today. We would like everyone to be a part of it. Thank you so much, and showtime is starting very soon.
Going friends all the way down.
Before we begin, a big Zoogether Day thank you to our event sponsors. No flash pictures or video lighting during the watch party. Our nocturnal friends thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on your left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Oh, let's get wild. Like your forward. Stop moving. I want to hear you roar. We're live in 3, 2.
Special live performances from across Zootopia. An unforgettable concert finale from superstar
existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! Teacher! 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 And surprise! One of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, Marlon, yes?
Oh, yeah, goodness!
No, the slot. Whatever. Come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible, that's totally standard. Okay. No, careful. The flashing one. Don't miss the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Great for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howard? Are you okay?
We need you to fill in for Heigh.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Hey! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashflow! Kozlov!
Predator prey, nice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea! Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that bud. Partner, you wanna grab a leg?
Detectives Fox and Wilde investigating the disaster.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all better.
The marsh is right up. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check with Heigh while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out.
Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bubba.
Hey, bub. Same who did this?
Seriously? Oh, it was locked with wool.
In my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little rodenttia.
Time to make like a tree, Andrew.
Clark,
What?
let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shroud Town! Hi! It's your girl, Fruit Fruit! In Little Rodentsia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
Oh, so cute.
You were gonna get iced.
Donuts do save lives.
Carrots. I am shocked.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
In pursuit.
Zootopia! Let's dance, you poor animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Clawhauser,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving together, hey, Chief!
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, I think his head has a lot of flies, so you should see him.
Wait!
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection. And on a day all about connection. Oh, Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined.
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, hello, Bellwether.
The sheep and wolf's clothing. Isn't clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's